Hello students, welcome to BDS Canon classes. Dear students, today in this video I am going to teach you about nomenclature of alcohol. Okay, nomenclature of alcohol. Dear students, as you know that alcohol is represented by symbol OH, means this is the symbol of alcohol group, and molecular formula of alcohol is ROH. Okay, this is the alkyl group and this is a alcohol group, both combined to form molecular formula of alcohol. Okay, and the secondary suffix of alcohol is all. Secondary suffix equal to all. Okay, this is the secondary suffix of alcohol. So let's be start to giving IPC naming of alcohol. Okay, I know that all of you read this topic in previous class, this chapter nomenclature of compounds in class 11. So this is very easy topic for you, but we see the class or nomenclature of alcohol. This is the compound that contains alcohol group, and this is the longest chain. Okay, this is the longest chain along with this particular group is attached. Okay, तो ये सबसे आपके कंपाउंड का लंबा चेन है कार्बन्स का, जिसमें आपका OH ग्रुप लगा हुआ है. एंड यू नो दैट we start naming toward the functional group because it takes in first preference. So we start naming from alcohol side. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, the common name of this compound is N-butanol. N-butyl alcohol, sorry, N-butyl alcohol. Okay, this is a common name of this compound, N-butyl alcohol. Okay, this is a normal butyl alcohol because it contains 4 carbons, so it is a butyl because this is a alkyl group and this is alcohol, so N-butyl alcohol. But the IPC naming is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 4 carbon, so but. It has single bond, so N, butane 1-all. Butane 1-all is the IPC nomenclature of this compound, and common name is N-butyl alcohol. Okay, next example is This is the next example, and you know that we start naming from this side. This is 1, 2, 3. Okay. The common name of this compound is isobutyl alcohol. Okay, this is the common name. Iso, because this is a isoform. This is a isoform. You know that this is a isoform. Okay, so this part of this compound is known as iso and say alcohol. So iso 1, 2, 3, 4 butyl alcohol. This is a common name, and IPC naming is you can see that the second carbon of this compound contains methyl group. So the IPC naming is 2-methyl 1, 2, 3 prop. These have single bond, so we add N 2-methyl propane 1 all. Okay, 2-methyl propane 1 all. This is IPC name of this compound. Okay. Next example is you know that in this compound, first of all, I want to tell you the common name of this compound. Okay, the common name of this compound is sec butyl alcohol. Okay, sec butyl alcohol. The word sec is came here due to presence of alcohol group in second carbon. Okay, due to presence of alcohol group in second carbon. So sec 1, 2, 3, 4 butyl alcohol. This is a common name, and IPC naming is we start naming from this side 1, 2, 3 and 4 because this alcohol is at second position from this side. Okay, so the common name of this compound is sec butyl alcohol, and IPC naming is but plus N butane 2 all. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 but. These have single bond, so but plus N butane 2 all. This is a IPC name of this compound. Okay, next example is the common name of this compound is tert butyl alcohol. Okay, tert butyl alcohol, and we start numbering because this is the we start numbering in this compound from this side to this side. Why? because the longest chain of this compound is this. So 1, 2 and 3. This is numbering of this compound, and naming is 2-methyl 1, 2, 3 prop, and they have single bond. So N propane 2-all. Okay, propane 2-all. This is the IPC naming of this compound. Okay, common naming is tributyl alcohol, and IPC naming is 2-methyl propane 2-all. Understood? Let's be take another special example of alcohol, that is CH3 CH double bond CH CH3. Okay, let's be start numbering. This is the longest chain of this compound, and we start numbering from this side because OH group is closer from this side, that is in second position, and from this side 1, 2, 3 and 4 at position 4. So we start numbering from this side. Okay, now the name of this compound is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pent. It has a double bond, pent 3-ene, pent 3-ene 2-all. Okay, this is the IPC name of this compound. Let's be understand again. This compound has following 5 carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we write pent, and it contains double bond at carbon number 3rd. So 3-ene, and second carbon has alcohol group 2-all. Okay, this is the IPC name of this particular compound. Next example is okay, this is next compound. Okay, now we have longest chain, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 carbon atoms. So let's we start numbering. You know that numbering is started from this side, because if we start numbering from this side, then this particular alcohol group is present at 4th position, and we start if numbering from this side, then carbon is alcohol group is at 5th position. So this is a correct numbering. Okay, let's we start naming. We have 8 carbon, so we write oct, and it has double bond at the position of 5 and 7. So we write oct oct 5,7 diene oct 5,7 diene for all. Okay, this is option of this compound. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 oct 5,7 diene for all. Okay, this is the IPC name of this compound. So, and next and last example is CH2OH CH2OH. The general name of this compound is glycerol. Okay, and we start numbering from any side because all the carbon contains OH group. So the IPC naming of this compound is prop. It has single bond, so N, propane, 1 2 3 triol. This is the IPC name of this compound. So I hope that all of you understood that how to give the IPC nomenclature of the alcohol. Thank you. Have a nice day.